Healthy eating habits for weight loss. Eating a well-balanced diet is essential for overall health and weight loss. Eating healthy foods can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve energy levels. Eating healthy foods can also help to maintain a healthy weight. It is important to eat a variety of healthy foods to get the nutrients needed for a healthy lifestyle. Eating a variety of foods helps to ensure that you get enough of the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Eating a variety of foods also helps to prevent boredom and overeating. Eating healthy foods doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Eating a balanced diet can be as simple as including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins and healthy fats in your meals. Planning meals ahead of time can also help to ensure that you are eating a balanced diet. It is important to be mindful of portion sizes when eating a healthy diet. Eating too much of any food can lead to weight gain, so it is important to be aware of how much you are eating. Eating slowly and paying attention to how full you feel can help to ensure that you don't overeat. In addition to eating healthy foods, it is important to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help to keep your body hydrated and can also help to curb hunger. Drinking water before meals can also help to reduce the amount of food you eat. Eating healthy snacks can also help to maintain a healthy weight. Eating healthy snacks can help to prevent overeating at meals and can provide energy throughout the day. Healthy snacks can include a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Eating healthy foods is an important part of maintaining a healthy weight. Eating a variety of healthy foods, being mindful of portion sizes and staying hydrated can help to ensure that you are eating a balanced diet and getting the nutrients needed for overall health.